In this demo, I'm going to try running an XPages application in the Notes browser plugin. So the easiest one is just to create a discussion database. And I'm in the Notes client right now, and the default is still to open in the Notes client, not in XPages. So this is ordinary rich text. It's obviously not the XPages interface. Now what I usually do with the discussion is almost immediately change the application properties so that it will launch into XPages instead. And in the Notes client, when we then open up the database, we're going to see the XPages client, the one UI look, the CK editor, all that sort of thing. So now I have a good idea of what is likely to happen, but I thought I'd just record this. If I go over to my browser and I do notes:workspace, it's going to open up the workspace inside the browser, which I still think is just great. And now I'm going to try to open up that database, and you'll notice that it opens again inside, in the ordinary old classic way, not in an XPages way, even though we're inside a browser. And if I go to properties, you'll notice that this is even though it is set to launch into XPages on both the browser and the Notes client. And that's what happens, which is basically it doesn't work. We'll have to find another way to launch XPages